Mazi Nnamdi in Sokoto prison is receiving a heavy attack from Lolo, Nneka, Chimezie, and US members and other individuals who once never believed in Mazi Nnamdi. This is what is currently happening in IPOB right now. My people, I'm going to play you the videos for you to listen and watch and hear what these people are saying from their mouth. The question is it the way we can ever achieve the freedom we are looking for? Who do this thing to us, being the Igbo people? Because this is a culture in Igbo land. When somebody is rising up, you see a group of people who rise up not to support that person but to bring that person down by bringing so many things against him. So if you push somebody up, the person cannot make a decision that will favor everybody. But the question is, who did this to us? Let us listen and we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Lolo, Nneka, Chimezie is being dragged for speaking about Mazi Nnamdi, saying he did this and that. Well, as much as we may respect some people for standing on the side of truth, that should never mean they are above correction whenever they deviate, unless they have consciously chosen another path entirely. Respect is in, but consistency is what sustains it. We should remember that everything said today is being recorded by history. Words spoken, a moment of emotion, can remain long after the moment has passed. That is why people must be mindful of what they say, and especially how they speak about our son, Mazi Nnamdi, even now while he remains in detention.
And they have hierarchy, so they know how they do their thing, and we should allow them to do their thing. They know how they do their thing. I'm not a member of
Okay, now, wait, hold on. Okay, now, give one eye, because now, you will say, Nnamdi would be leader now, but from what you are saying, from what I have seen you doing and saying and acting it, is that you are against Nnamdi. That is all the truth. Okay? Now, you are trying to hold on. Wait.
You don't support Mazi Nnamdi.
You have done very well in the past. We have seen that.
You have not supported Kanu more than I have.
We have seen that.
You have not worked for Kanu more than I have. Let me tell you, because I like Kanu, I'm telling him the truth.
What you are doing now?
You have never. You can't touch me. Even if you are Kanu, what I'm telling Kanu today, Kanu should go and fix IPOB. He is dividing IPOB.
Okay, somebody that is in prison. Only not a prison. It's one with a hierarchy. But somebody that is in prison, that is in dungeon, that is languishing in prison, that you are here calling him all different kinds of names, but he has hierarchy. So what has that hierarchy you are supporting always, which is DOS? What has they done? Why have they allowed all the things that is happening?
From 2017, Mazi Nnamdi left the shores of this country. What did he do?
Lolo.
Mazi Nnamdi let my ogwagi here na nuisance saying na post on social media with the autopilot. On any here and in cash show na kwa Mazi Nnamdi when he had 1 naira. On here na social media. Nina hu ya no nga he hola ndị 100 men ọ dịghị mma ndị attract na pop gị hol ha we na social media ọ dịghị mma ihe ọzọ mere ugbu a na gị gbapụ ndị autopilot ha nọ na social media na disgrace ndị Igbo. The truth of the matter was, the IPOB leadership should look at the activities of Mazi Nnamdi. Ofonye adakoha, Ofonye adewut. I get a letter and I'm a advice to stop this nuisance. Ya no munye na cause. Ota ke je togo jo nya gba yoko. If you don't want to share right, o disgrace so mun. Ota kunu she wete de Biafra. Ota na ndị autopilot nọ na social media na-eti na-agwa ọja ụnụkwọ nnu n'iyi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chọpụtachara ụnụ ọwa taa ka a ga-esi enweta dị Biafra ụnụ anọ na social media na-akpa onye ọbụla iyi.
The water. In fact, I'm on why DOS can you book it?
Mazi.
This guy is Paul. That is expel.
Mazi.
What was on you saying?
They are still giving benefit of that. Maybe when the time come, but I can't do the Akama or repent to my change. Although Jigora Kiapuya, they are lead is rising sun. I'm an announce na call.
So what the sign destroys the whole thing now. Kaga matter no determine the only.
Okay, Mazi, as we are speaking, they are listening. So they are picking every point. So they are watching.
The moment, the longer Hana respect here, or the thing can never go about because one a dangerous criminal. That guy be dangerous criminal. Imagine for almost 10, for more than 10 years, this guy is the lonely upon and all. If politicians say when he hammer, he form more able of their enemy in that area. Man, this guy get general, so now I'll go kick in another.
House. The other one invest by opening a company. The other ones are now need to wine Kenya, wine Ethiopia. Why Tanzania? One day, the Abaswomi wo, ma public to get people why I can have a video. Abaswomi wo. I'm saying it. Everything you have said about Biafra. Now, if you begin to speak from both sides of the mouth, the nearest person close to you should shut you down. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came and the one guy got shut him down. How can you go get a total money down? You want your back idea. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you have betrayed the IPOB oath. You want to attack you there? You want the law? You want to break the law? You have break the law thousands of times. At this very moment, if we're saying I'm going to and you know that I'm right. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, how long are you going to continue to threaten the members of GOS, threatening the medias, and you at the same time you are writing that anybody that believes you account, but you are active in two accounts. Ike David, show me when I expose it. As I was live exposing it, in next seconds, it turned out to show more Biafra. The money of indigenous people of Biafra, you are busy squandering the money in K9 Club in Kenya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I'm joke. I don't want to publish your house address. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra made you. IPOB made you. IPOB will also remade you back to nothing. 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. 2011, as I said, power is toxic. Power. All they are just here, you see. And I leadership, when we here,
during those days, why na DOS Buspendoshi and Ipeshi because of Chinas and Waru's lying tongue, we were deceived. Nnamdi maka these people, Chinasa and Ndoti, because I don't want to say DOS again. That name is not and void in IPOB. It has been dissolved. Abo na maka Chinasa Nworu na with his gangs. We mega attack. Muna gunwe esemoku. Anyada atupuzi onu. Biko, come back to me. Forgive me because I was misled. Yes, I was deceived. I deceived. Me man da no ha nwelu ihe anwa grade A na lying tongue na blackmail gossip. If you know that those days na chalu go kpogi na mpalelege na mega attack na nkuru something major oge biko gbagalo. Forgive me. I was deceived and misled. These people deceived me. They used me. Yes, I was used. They used me against innocent people in the movements. They blackmailed those people to us. And I share that now because of that voice note, that voice record, that clip, that short clip, that anything DOS said goes. Anything Mazi Chike, anybody who is not following orders from Chike Dozie will be removed from IPOB. We were deceived with that short clip. That short clip made me to do a lot of mistakes then. I made a whole lot of mistakes because of that short clip. But I thank God that today I have been revived. Today, I revived Gacha China. Gacha China has been revived. In our fear now. So, those of you that I offended because of these crooks and wolves in IPOB, those ex-members, those people who are gallivanting now, claiming to be leaders, those irrelevant people, because of them, even now defending her, even now fighting for them, please forgive me. This is me saying I am sorry. People will forgive you. You gotta go. A whole lot of people. Both the ones I remember their name, the ones I don't remember their name. Because I remember that Nneka was saying this na his broadcast one time. He was saying it. Now the DOS I did go compromise. I never knew. When you were for this those other Mazi Nnamdi can that memo do sika can the DOS made those things release out na memo. Last year come for that memo. They hid that memo from all of us. They hid it from us. Hey, where can you set our eyes on those memos? That's no end say that they should go and bring back those people massacred from IPOB. They never showed us those things. We were eager because those days you dare not ask question. Of me those ex people. How man to as an saboteur. They will blackmail you because you know a lot of people in with thick skin. Oh, when they not told you blackmail. When they come to you, they will blackmail. That's a blackmail you're not. They are not like us with thick skin. And again, if on this social media, don't be always be carried away. When you see something on social media, don't always believe it.
Welcome back, my wonderful people, as you have watched that video and hear what this woman is saying. Remember, I said this thing in this platform many years ago that if you want to get Igbo, come out in form of supporting them. Get them as fans, then start talking against them or fighting against what they are fighting. You will see 70% or 50% will support you. Then that 70% that support you was people who never believe in what their brothers are doing. So this is what actually happened here. One, this woman come outside. He come outside as he's fighting for Igbo. They're calling Nigeria armies, doing this, talking about them. Then later, he now began fully talking about IPOB. They are not the terrorists. They are not this. He gets some people from the he gets some part of those who never believe in Biafra that believe in Igbo nation, and those who believe in IPOB who believe in Biafra as well. Then now he switch in Mazi Nnamdi start going to the court recently. Immediately Mazi Nnamdi was praising, he started going. Now I have linked up with his wife, with his past lawyers, and he come outside and say that how can you, somebody who is not in social media, who is in prison, you come out to make up some things against him. You never go to the prison there and send your message to him. Not on social media. If you actually love that person, like your friend did something wrong and you want to correct that your friend. Correcting that your friend is something you go and tell that your friend that look, this, not to bring it on social media, because you bringing it telling your friend enemies of what you feel, not even truth, what you feel. So this is actually what is playing here. So I said it, be careful of who you are following on social media. Be careful. Not much you follow anybody. You can watch the person and go. Not much you follow anybody. Be careful who you are following. This is the problem we are having. We are very easy to deceive because a lot of people, bad egg on us. You see them jumping there using so many social media fake comment, engagement on that person to make that person relevant of what he's saying. Our people is falling for this. So if Mazi Nnamdi we are actually against this struggle, why can't he accept the offers that be given to him in the Nigeria prison so that he can be free and live with his family like Wazirike did and others? You people don't even think sometimes. I can accept whatever they give me and live. Be ranting on social media, be talking. If you finish, you go and rest. As well, if I were Nnamdi at this point, well, it's not necessary of him doing this because what he believes, a lot of people believe in him. Even those who are not even Igbo believe in Nnamdi more than Igbo people self. Guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.